Just when we thought we were starting to understand it, the story has taken another sharp turn, and it's rewriting everything we thought we knew about comets. Here's the latest on the interstellar object 3I Atlas, and things just keep getting stranger. This thing is tearing through our solar system at about 61 kilometers per second, the fastest natural object we've ever seen here. At first, it looked like a reddish comet glowing directly from its surface. Pretty normal. But as it's been getting closer to the sun, the story has changed. Its coma, that big glowing cloud around the nucleus, has gone from red to green. Astronomers noticed the shift during a total lunar eclipse in Namibia. Normally, comet color changes are subtle, but this one was dramatic. The green glow points to cyanide gas being released. Observations on August 25, 2025, confirmed a sharp rise in cyanide, which matches the color change. But here's the kicker, they also found nickel without iron. In nature, nickel usually pairs with iron. On Earth, nickel-only deposits usually come from industrial processes. That unusual chemistry is fueling speculation. Is this really a natural comet? Then, on September 7, 2025, images revealed something never seen before on an interstellar visitor, an anti-tail. Instead of pointing away from the sun like a normal tail, this faint glow stretched toward the sun. The explanation? Larger ice chunks are breaking off the surface. They're too heavy to be pushed away quickly, so they linger and scatter sunlight in a way that makes it look like a backward tail. Scientists think it's a natural process, but the fact that it shows up so clearly in this object is another layer of mystery. The size is another puzzle. At first, estimates said maybe 3 to 10 kilometers wide. Now, new models suggest it could be 20 to 46 kilometers across. If that's true, it would be 1,000,000 times more massive than the other interstellar objects we've studied, like Oumuamua. That size doesn't really fit with what we know about how comets form in interstellar space. Here's what's next. On October 3, 2025, 3I Atlas will pass close to Mars. NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, with its high-rise camera, will try to snap photos. Even though the resolution won't be sharp enough for fine detail, it should confirm whether the glow is natural sunlight or if something stranger is going on. If successful, this would be the first time an interstellar object is imaged from another planet. Other spacecraft, like NASA's Psyche and ESA's JUICE probe, might also catch it later in the year. Now, the trajectory is raising eyebrows. Instead of coming in at a steep angle like most interstellar visitors, 3I Atlas is gliding almost perfectly along the ecliptic plane, where our planets orbit. Its tilt is less than 5 degrees. Odds of that happening randomly are about 1 in 500. That path brings it close to Venus, Mars, and Jupiter, but neatly avoids Earth. And when it's at its closest point to the Sun, Earth will be on the opposite side, as far away as possible. That coincidence is one of the reasons some scientists are openly wondering if this trajectory is deliberate. It's a lot like how we plan spacecraft flybys to line up with multiple planets. Tracing its path backward, 3I Atlas seems to come from the direction of the Sagittarius constellation. That's the same region where the famous WOW signal was detected back in 1977. Probably just coincidence, but it definitely has people talking. So, is it natural or not? Right now, all signs point to a very unusual comet. But some scientists aren't ruling out the possibility of something artificial. If it were technological, it could maneuver or release smaller probes as it flies past planets. We haven't seen that yet, but the big test will come later this year, when it swings behind the sun. If it changes course while hidden, that would be huge news. For now, everyone's waiting for the Mars flyby in early October. That's when we'll hopefully get images and data that tell us more about its size, brightness, and behavior. Whatever it turns out to be, a massive ancient comet or something stranger, 3I Atlas is already rewriting our understanding of interstellar visitors. So that's the update. Color shift, anti-tail, weird chemistry, giant size, strange orbit, and a Mars encounter coming up fast. What do you think? Is 3I Atlas just an oddball comet, or could it be something more? Drop your thoughts below. And if you want to help us keep covering stories like this, consider subscribing to our channel. It means a lot. Thanks for tuning in, and let's see what surprises October brings.